this is the lesson that I'm going to discuss in this video. An example of simple future is, let's say, I will visit my sister next week. Now, the question is, when do we use the simple future tense? By the way, before I get into the discussion, I want to announce that I have some participants who are going to join with me in this lesson. They are going to help me with sentence examples, so stay there because I'm going to introduce all of them just shortly. Oh, I also want to mention that my guests are joining with me through pre-recorded videos. You know, it's difficult for everybody to join in at the same time, like live, because of the different time zones. Or maybe in the future we'll come up with something better. Okay, let's get started. We use simple future tense in different situations, such as actions that will happen in the future, predictions about the future, simultaneous decisions made at the moment of speaking, and also when making a promise. Before we examine those closely with different examples, let me introduce to you all my guests. And let's start with, yes, here comes Munir, joining us from Kazakhstan. And that's Cindy, also joining us from Illinois and the Philippines. Parwinder, he's from India. We also have Nurlana, checking in from Azerbaijan. And finally, Blanca. And Greteland from the Philippines. Okay, let's get into the discussion and examples of those situations when we use the simple future tense. First is action that will happen in the future. I need a volunteer to give me an example. So I may call on Munir. Please give me an example.
Roland will buy bread tomorrow.
Okay, Roland will buy bread. Okay, will buy bread tomorrow. Let's write that down. Roland will buy bread tomorrow. Excellent, thank you. And I need one more example. Who wants to volunteer? Parwinder. Okay, Parwinder. All right.
Peter will go shopping this weekend.
Peter will go shopping this afternoon. Peter will go shopping this afternoon. Next, predictions about the future. Now I may, okay, who is the volunteer for this? I call on Norlana. Hi, Norlana. Please give me an example. Okay?
I think it will rain tonight.
I think it will rain. Yes. Yeah. I think it will rain tonight. Thank you, Norlana. Now I need another example to make it two. Another example for predictions about the future. I can call on Cindy. Cindy, please. Okay.
Rose and Martin will come next weekend.
Let's write that down. Rose and Martin will come next weekend. Rose and Martin will come next weekend. Thank you. Let's move on. A simultaneous decision made at the moment of speaking. A simultaneous decision made at the moment of speaking. Who is the volunteer? It's Blanca. Blanca, please.
We need someone to sing for us. I will ask Tony if he's available.
We need someone to sing for us. I will ask Tony if he's available. Excellent. Okay. We need someone to sing for us, and I need Tony, or I will ask Tony if he is available. Great. One more for the simultaneous decision. Okay, Grideland, please. Grideland is ready.
I need a cup of coffee. I will ask the waiter.
I need a cup of coffee. Yes, I will ask the waiter. Thank you very much, Grideland. And now we are on the final one, the last one, the fourth one. Situation when we use the simple future tense. It is when we make a promise. So we use simple future tense when we make a promise. Now I'm gonna call on Cindy, please. Cindy.
She promises that she will return it.
Okay. She promises that she will return it. Thank you. And as I need 2 examples each, so for the promise, I also need 1 more. And I think that's Norlana.
I promise that I will come back.
I promise that I will come back. I promise that I will come back. Thank you. I want to thank you all for participating. You all did a great job, and that was pretty awesome. Thank you for all those examples. I'm really very happy that you're all learning. I promise you'll be learning a lot more. So stick around, and now we're gonna move on to our next lesson.